my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be going from like this, fresh out of the shower, and transforming into like an 80s rock and roll girl, because I have a photo shoot in 2 hours. And it's a like rock and roll theme, so I'm gonna just take you through the process and show you like the makeup I put on, how I do my hair, and the outfit that I'm gonna wear. So let's get into it.
On my neck, and I'm stone cold with the flex with the squad and the Teeth and tongue. My heart skips 8 beats at once.
Okay, the lighting's like really bad and yellow in here, but I'm gonna show you, I have 2 outfits, so this is my first outfit right here. I have this Rolling Stones crop tank top with some fishnets and then some shorts, and I will show you the shoes when I put the outfit on. My second outfit are these Holy pants and then this diamond crop top.
If I could get to sleep, I would have slept by now.
I'm just gonna leave my hair just kind of messy. I feel it looks a little bit more rocker, and I put on this choker. I have my crop top, shorts, fishnet leggings, and my combat boots. And yeah, this is the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you want to see me do more videos like this, because I do a lot of photo shoots like every month, and they usually have like a different theme. This one's rock and roll, and next, since it's October, it'll probably be like Halloween. And I'm actually going to be Harley Quinn for Halloween. So if you want to see me transform myself into Harley Quinn, then give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time I post a video. Bye!
I'll sit and watch your car burn with a fire that you started in me, but you never came back to ask it out.